Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Gmail account without a phone number. Open the Settings app on your Android phone. Scroll down and find Google, then tap on it. Look for options related to all devices or phone number verification, and if you see a way to disable or manage phone verification prompts, turn that off. This can help make the process smoother, though it's not always required. Go back to the main settings menu, then find Backup and Restore, or Accounts and Backup, and tap on it. Tap on Backup Account or the related section. Find Manage Account, then tap on it. Select Add Account. Choose Google from the list of account types. This will redirect you to the Google Account Creation dashboard. Tap Create Account. Select For Personal Use. Add your name. Enter your age or date of birth. From the list of suggested emails, choose the one that suits you or create your own email name by tapping the Custom option. Add a password. Tap Next. Finally, say I agree to accept the terms. That's it. Your new Gmail account is created and ready to use without needing to provide a phone number in most cases. Quick tips for success. This works best on a real Android device, as Google trusts the native settings flow more than browsers or apps sometimes. If the skip option for phone doesn't show up, try switching Wi-Fi networks, waiting a bit, or adding a recovery email instead when prompted. Always use a strong password and consider adding a backup email for security. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if this helped, subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next video.